What's up, y'all? This is First Son. I'm gonna do a tutorial today of Joe Good Girls. I'm gonna be doing a lot more tutorials, trying to find some songs that's not on the internet yet, so I can help build that database, give back to the YouTube community. Because over the years, a lot of songs that I personally learned from the internet. So I want to make sure I'm just kind of go through and think of songs that might not be out there yet that I can kind of add to the collection. So that way, like if you need a song real fast, you can just go ahead and you can just put it in the search and pop it up. And at least if it's not exactly right, which most of them, like the songs I did earlier, most of those are from sheet music. But this one here I kind of figured out on my own. So at least if it's not, it'll help get you started. So let's go ahead and just jump into this song. This is a bad song, man. I love it. It's pretty easy too. Your first chord, well, actually you're gonna start off with this lick. And what that is E flat, A flat, B flat, B, B flat, F sharp, E flat. So like that. And what you're gonna do after that, you're gonna land on this chord. E major 9. So E, B, E flat, F sharp, excuse me, A flat. So and you can hit that, kind of hit that bass again to kind of keep it going. Then you're gonna go to this chord. E flat minor 7, E flat, E flat, B flat, C sharp, E flat, F sharp. So from the top. Then you're gonna go to A flat minor 11, A flat, F sharp, B, C sharp, E flat, F sharp. So, and those three chords gonna pretty much drive the song. So, okay. So that's the chorus really. So the verse is. What you can do with the verse is do a little something different, because basically it is like the 3 chords. What you can do is play this chord, E major 7, sus 2, E, F sharp, B and E flat. So when he says, well, when the verse starts, that. So just all you're doing is just basically it's similar to this chord. Well, it's actually similar to that, but you inverting it up here. And you can do that for the when you do the verse. Okay, so and that pretty much go all the way through the verse, and then when you go back to why all the good girls going on, you just go back to that. Taking every time. Why do I keep falling for someone else's time? You know that. So pretty easy. Now the only other thing that's kind of different here, I believe, is like when he do the vamp, but it's the same chords. What you can do is let me see. Only for me somewhere in this world. Yeah. Just use that same thing you was doing for the verse. Do that with the vamp. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of chop your chords up. Like, I gotta believe there's a only for me somewhere in this world. Like that. Somewhere in this world. Easy. much this song. It's an easy song. I hope you guys can get it. You know, like I said, if you can't, just look at the video again, take your time or whatever. If there's something that I missed in this video, leave it in the comments section, or something that you need explained a little bit better. Let me know, because what I'm doing, I'm trying, like I said, it's a teaching thing. It's just like the teacher sometimes miss things. So if you see something in here that's missed, let me know. It's not going to hurt my feelings. It's constructive criticism. So let's just keep it on that level. So yeah, you guys. If you got a request, let me know. Hit me up on my email. My email is it should be on the home page, and there's some more tutorials on the page. Check those out. Share them out with your friends, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And the good girls are not taking all the time. You just got to look for them, fellas. See you.